Basically, you've come to a racetrack illy prepared to do racetrack things.
Try to make sure all the wires are nicely shoved up in there.
If you've never been to a Lemons race, it's an absolute circus.
Looks like it worked.
I'm Elliott Loe. This is my 1968 Dodge Dart. I got it for free.
Drop everything. This is the one that's getting the jump on the compact car field. Dodge Dart. All new, all over. A bold new look.
So I got the Dodge Dart from a buddy. He was tired of paying rent on the storage for the car, and it was in an absolute state when I got it. The motor was filled to the top with water, but if a race car comes to you, you take it. When I first got the car, I knew exactly what I was going to do with it. I was going to go endurance racing, and I knew that I was going to do whatever it took to get it there. Every race beats it up, some more than others, but it just keeps going. It's unusual, but right now the car, it's fine, so it just needs regular maintenance for Road Atlanta. We got 4 people to drive and a bunch of volunteers to make it all happen. We call ourselves Ziptied Racing. One of the things that's really different about Ziptied Racing compared to everybody else is we are a lot of genuinely professional people doing this job. And so while we go and work on $1 million race cars and stuff like that, we then just transition into something that's supposed to be valued $500. Though what I do may look on the surface like it's just hackery, there's precision to this hackery. Even if I'm hitting it with a hammer, I know what I'm doing. I'm getting that thing right.
Probably got to be better.
It's the best. Honestly, I wouldn't trade it for the world. Race weekend starts long before you hit the racetrack. Honestly, getting there is half the trouble. It's a 4-hour drive from Mooresville to Atlanta. So the road trip to Atlanta is always awful because it's always trying to wake people up in the morning is not possible. We need to be at the racetrack like 9 or 10 a.m. and just trying to get people to move that early is tough. So this is where NOCO comes in handy. We've used the AX65 to jumpstart everything from the truck, the Dodge, and even the lawnmower with it. And if it wasn't for our AX65, we'd have to rely on the gas station air pumps, which don't even work half the time. I've used the one at QT a bunch, and it is, dude, it's, especially Road Atlanta weekend, it's cold. Trying to get out there and inflate your tires sucks when it's cold. AX65, baby.
Yeah.
If you're going to Road Atlanta for the first time, it is a daunting track. There is no runoff. It is just, it's a car killer of a track. If you've never been to a Lemons race, it's simple. It's a $500 endurance race for junk cars. You bring your tools, your friends, and a lot of optimism. 8 hours on Saturday, 7 on Sunday. Most laps win, but it never goes that easy. And somehow we got a pretty good record of actually finishing these things. The judges roast you in inspection. If they think you've spent too much, they give you negative laps and just make your life hell, and that's half the fun.
Now, I gotta admit, my shock package is a little overpriced.
Yeah.
$60 for all 4.
This is fantastic. Yeah. Your radiator is the only thing you spend any real money on.
And it is filled with brown coolant.
I'm still fine with you guys running in class.
We have yet to prove you wrong.
Yes. You want to ride?
We're a C-Class team. We're the slowest, sketchiest group out there. C-Class is chaos. Success for a C-Class team in Lemons is literally just finishing. If you can finish the race, you've done a good job. Half the cars don't finish, and the ones that do, they got stories. Stuff breaks, people spin out, you're constantly fixing something. And we got no shot at winning, but that's what makes it fun.
I hammered it early, and I went so wide. I went all the way into the rumblies on the right.
But
The only
don't go
thing,
past it.
I'll tell you, this much of the car was still on the track.
Yeah.
It's not just about driving fast. It's about solving the problems, teamwork, and having fun. It's never easy, no matter what you do. And so you'll always have that problem, and you always come up with a solution. And if you do, then you're like, man, I was awesome for doing that, or so-and-so was awesome for doing that. We did it, we got through it to the end. I think it's the most fun you can have racing, and no one takes themselves that seriously.
That takes a lot of balls to run a car like that.
That's what keeps us coming back. The challenges, the people, the laughs. Because I've had this car over 10 years, or just about 10 years now, you grow attached to things. So as long as this car is able to go onto the road course, it will continue to go on a road course, despite being the biggest vehicle on track every time. After a race weekend, the thing that sticks with me the most is crushing defeat isn't always a bad thing. It's more about the racing, the people, the fun that you have over the weekend. It's more that than truly results. You don't need money to go racing. You just need a junk car, some friends, and a reason to go, and that is the journey we're after.